We had a great time today at the award ceremony and it was so fun.
I'm so proud to be participating today on behalf of the Central Bank. I think it's phenomenal. It's a celebration of how far we've come as a country and also as an organisation.
Seeing the flag flying outside my workplace today makes me feel good and accepted and reassuring that the bank takes care of everybody.
We're all here for public service, and to hear the service that these organisations are fighting to provide out there, it's just great to be part of supporting that.
It makes such a difference in society. It's just a privilege to be involved with the charity committee.
If you scratch the surface, people are very interested in financial regulation. People are very interested in their rights around mortgages. So it's been very, very interesting to speak to the public.
It's been great to meet other staff members here, meeting people from other divisions across the bank as well. It's been absolutely fantastic, learning what they do.
We're opening up the central bank, which is also something which is quite interesting, to get a chance to get people to sort of get a better understanding of what the central bank actually does and its history.
Everyone's been very positive so far. They've been really eager to learn about our story, which is really a great thing for ourselves.
When you walk around, you will see that we have put in bridges and stairs within the atrium, so the atrium then becomes a very, very active, live part of the building.
Likes to sometimes, well, I don't know. And my dad's a supervision manager.
I think he does the registration, has her lunch and breakfast.
My daddy likes eating food in the cafe. No, I like to work in the central bank. I don't want to work here.
I would want to work in HR.
I'd like to start off maybe as a solicitor and then grow up maybe to work in the central bank.